A man sits alone in his broken-down car, snow piling up, the temperature far below freezing. He remembers a survival forum. 5 military wool blankets can keep you alive in any cold. He wraps himself in all 5, feeling secure. But the cold seeps in, relentless. Hours pass. He's not getting warmer. He's in grave danger, a victim of a deadly myth. Well-meant advice, like the magical power of wool blankets, can be fatal. Modern survival gear works. Myths don't. In the wild, knowledge is your best equipment. The myth is simple. More wool blankets mean more warmth. But this is a dangerous oversimplification. The problem isn't the blankets, it's believing they offer limitless protection. True insulation comes from trapped air, not just material. Wool blankets, especially when stacked and compressed, trap little air. Instead of 5 times the warmth, you get 5 times the weight. The dense layers squeeze out air, making them poor insulators. In extreme cold, your body is a furnace, but these blankets let heat escape fast. You're fighting a losing battle with the wrong equipment. A single wool blanket is useful in mild cold, but in true winter, it's not enough. The 5-blanket fallacy ignores the science of heat loss. More isn't always better. In survival, the right tool matters more than the number of layers. Wool is a remarkable fibre, insulating, moisture-managing and durable. Its reputation comes from its ability to insulate when damp, unlike cotton. But wool keeps you warm even when wet is only partly true. Wool is less dangerous than cotton when wet, but it's not a magical shield. In a blizzard, a wet wool blanket offers minimal warmth. Wool's structure helps manage moisture, making it great for socks or base layers. But as a blanket, it's exposed to the environment and can become saturated. Once soaked, its insulation drops dramatically. Wool is excellent for cool, damp conditions, not for extreme cold survival. It's durable and fire-resistant, but not invincible. Its reputation is built on real strengths, but also on myth. We must separate practical reality from folklore. Use wool wisely, but don't rely on it as your only defense. In life or death cold, better options exist. Understanding wool's limits is key to survival. Don't let myth cloud your judgment. In cold survival, water is the enemy, not just from outside, but from your own body. Every breath and bit of perspiration adds moisture inside your blankets. Moisture condenses and freezes, turning insulation into a conductor of cold. Soon you're wrapped in a cold, wet load that steals your body heat. Survival gear must manage moisture, not just insulate. The right gear keeps you dry and warm. Don't let water become your undoing. When cold, our instinct is to add more layers. But piling on dense wool blankets doesn't increase insulation. It just adds weight. Compression squeezes out air, reducing warmth. 5 heavy blankets can immobilize you, making movement difficult in an emergency. You might need to clear snow, signal for help, or escape danger. Being trapped by your own gear can be fatal. Worse, when the blankets fail, helplessness sets in. You did what you were told, but you're still freezing. This mental defeat can be as dangerous as the cold itself. Survival requires clear thinking and the right strategy, not just more of the same. Don't let false hope become your downfall. The Inuit survived Arctic cold, not with heavy blankets, but with ingenious clothing. Their caribou skin anorak system uses 2 layers: fur in, fur out. The inner fur traps warm air close to the body. The outer layer sheds snow and creates another air barrier. The system is loose-fitting, allowing ventilation and moisture escape. This active moisture management prevents condensation and freezing. The Inuit system is light, flexible and warm, designed for survival. Unlike wool blankets, it allows movement and manages moisture. It's a proven technology, refined over generations. The lesson: survival is about intelligent design, not brute force. The Arctic teaches us to work with nature, not against it. Compare this to a stack of blankets: heavy, restrictive and passive. The right system makes all the difference. Modern survival gear follows the same principles as the Inuit anorak. Today's sleeping bags and parkas are engineered to trap air, minimize weight and manage moisture. A winter sleeping bag is rated for specific temperatures. Tested, not guessed. Its warmth comes from loft high-tech fibers or down trap air efficiently. Shells are windproof, water-resistant and breathable. Every feature is purposeful. A 2-kilogram sleeping bag can outperform 20 kilograms of wool blankets. It's not magic. It's engineering. Look for temperature ratings and reputable brands. Wool blankets have no rating. Their performance is unpredictable. In a crisis, reliability is everything. Don't trust myths or anonymous advice. Trust proven science and tested gear. Your life depends on it. Myths breed complacency and false security. Real preparation means honest assessment and the right equipment. For your car kit, skip the wool blankets. Get a cold-rated sleeping bag. Synthetic fill bags retain warmth even if wet. But gear alone isn't enough. Test it before you need it. Try sleeping in your car on a cold night with your kit. Learn your gear's limits and your own. You'll discover what works, what doesn't, and how condensation forms. This experience builds real confidence. No gear protects forever. Your goal is to buy time for rescue. Include signalling tools, food, water, and a plan. Tell others your route and ETA. Preparation is a mindset. Respect the cold and plan intelligently. Don't rely on myths. Rely on knowledge and readiness. Your survival depends on it. The 5-blanket myth persists because it's easy to share, but that makes it dangerous. We must challenge and correct misinformation. Share what you've learned, the importance of trapped air and moisture management. Guide others towards safer, science-based solutions. Survival knowledge is vast. Seek information grounded in real testing. Be skeptical of simple answers. Nature is complex. Survival strategies must be too. Combine traditional wisdom with modern science for the best chance. Stay curious and informed. Your mind is your best tool. By understanding why the blanket myth fails, we uncover deeper truths about survival. Share this knowledge, it can save lives. Keep questioning, testing and learning. Your safety and others depends on it.